Hello everyone. Hope all is well. I've created the drawing for the welding booth based on the provided designs and wanted to highlight some potential issues, not with the welding booths themselves, but with the fume arm and electrical work. Welding booth 4. According to the design, if we move the positioner and the wall to the opposite side to accommodate the beam, it will work. However, this will affect the ductwork and fume arm installation. The fume arm needs to be moved about 8 to 9 inches from its original position. This will cause the fume arm to extend diagonally, which might not be ideal, but I don't see an alternative at the moment. I've also made the table smaller to provide some room. There is a 6-inch gap between the edge of the table and the beam to allow for any adjustments. Welding booth 9. Not much has changed here, except for making the table smaller. I'm concerned about the conduits and outlets. This is where the outlets would be located, as it may be difficult to insert the plugs for the welding machines. I wanted to share these observations with you. Please let me know your thoughts, and we can discuss further.